We threw it on the floor. We washed it with water. We even drove a bike over it. And guess what? It's still working.
Hello everyone! Innovation and customer satisfaction are priorities for OPPO, and yet again, keeping them in mind, OPPO has unveiled India's first super rugged monsoon-ready device with IP68 and IP69 rating. So, let's unbox the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G and see if it lives up to all the buzz around it. Now that you have seen what comes in the box, let's talk about what makes the F27 Pro Plus special. The F27 Pro Plus is extra tough. It has passed over 150 super strict tests, including drops, pressure and bumps. So now we are at the stage to see this phone's toughness with a slide. Let's see what happens. Wow! No scratches on this beautiful 3D curved screen, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Even after such a drop, if we check its body, even that stands scratchless. The F27 Pro Plus 5G seems very durable, and this durability is even certified. The OPPO F27 Pro Plus has received certifications by Swiss SDS for premium performance and military-grade tests, meeting strict criteria in durability, functionality, workmanship, and user manuals. This translates to a lightweight phone that's also shock and water resistant, giving you peace of mind. And if you are clumsy and keep dropping your phone, this is the perfect device for you. The OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G boasts an immersive 6.7-inch ultra-durable 3D curved 120Hz display. With 5 advanced eye protection technologies, it ensures a comfortable viewing experience. The phone's stunning visuals are further enhanced by the incredible 93% screen-to-body ratio. Music lovers will love the 300% ultra volume mode. Simply increase the volume to 100% and press again to boost it to a whole new level, taking your audio experience to another dimension. Now, like I told you all earlier, this screen has received Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And to test it a bit more, I am going to scratch it with my car key and see if it can withstand the sharpness. Wow! Look at that! Not even a single scratch. Now you have to agree that the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G is a seriously rugged smartphone. Now that we have talked about toughness, let's talk about how this phone stands as a waterproof device. The F27 Pro Plus 5G is first smartphone which comes with IP66, IP68 and first time ever introduced IP69 rating. Here's the difference between IP ratings. IP68 protects your phone if it's submerged in water and can be there for up to 30 minutes for a maximum depth of 1.5 meters. And IP69 is even tougher. It can take high pressure and even high temperature water jets from any direction. So with F27 Pro Plus 5G, you don't have to stress about water damage of any kind. These also make it a perfect monsoon ready device. This shows how OPPO makes phones that last. Let me ask you this, does a water spill or a little rain ruin your phone experience? Not anymore. The OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G with Splash Touch protection lets you use your display worry-free. Even with water drops, and no matter if you're washing your hands or sweating, the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G recognizes your finger touches. So operating the phone with wet hands won't be an issue. Now that we have seen how tough this phone is, let's look at the design. Even though it is super strong, this phone is very lightweight, only 177 grams and ultra thin. It is very comfortable to hold thanks to its 3D curved edges. Plus, check out this cool Cosmos ring design, and both design element has been introduced for the first time by OPPO in their F series phones. The color options are awesome too. You can choose from dusk pink or midnight navy. And the best part, the back is made of high quality vegan leather with a special 6-lane coating that feels great in your hand. The F27 Pro Plus has a great camera system too. It has a powerful 64 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for better portraits and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. This camera also has a bunch of AI features to help you take even better pictures, like flash snapshot for clearer photos and AI portrait retouching for stunning selfies. There are other smart features too, like AI eraser and AI smart image matting, which makes the camera even more intelligent. The AI eraser helps you remove any unwanted objects or people from your photos, whether it's a friend who photobombed unintentionally or a passerby who just happened to be there. OPPO's AI eraser feature can save the shot. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G delivers super smooth performance, effortlessly handling both multitasking and gaming. It offers the perfect balance of performance and storage for your needs. Choose from 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage or 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. Are you also tired of your phone begging for a charger every few hours? The OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G boasts an impressive battery life thanks to its 5000 mAh capacity. With 67 watt super whoop flash charging, you can power up your phone to 56% in just 20 minutes or a full charge in only 44 minutes. That's because it can maintain over 80% of its original power. And how does it do this? Think of it like a guardian. It prevents your phone from overcharging and overheating, keeping everything healthy and running smoothly for a much longer time. Inspired by nature, the impressive ColorOS 14 based on Android 14 Aqua Dynamics brings lively animations and adaptive colors to your screens. Now, say bye to those boring notification alerts. That's because with OPPO, notifications and activity statuses come to you in the form of bubbles, capsules and panels. And that is definitely refreshing to your eyes. Moreover, with features like File Dock, you can easily transfer information from one app to another. You can also use this space as clipboard to share text and images across screens on different devices easily. Now, there is no doubt that the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G is a monsoon-ready smartphone built for ruggedness. Packed with amazing features, it's sure to be a helpful companion in your daily life. We are thoroughly impressed with its durability, making it a perfect choice for everyone out there. So, if you want a complete package in a smartphone, look no further but OPPO. With its stylish design, solid build, big battery and impressive features on offer is definitely perfect for Gen Zs. So, get your OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G right now.